everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking tanning again. So I bought myself a birthday present and I purchased the St. Tropez award-winning kits. It comes with an in-shower tanning lotion, it's in medium, and the advanced 1 hour mousse self tanning, and it comes with a little mitt. So the reason why I wanted to try this out is for a couple of reasons. Now I already have the tanning on and I'm gonna in a little bit do a little flashback for you and show you guys me before I put it on. I'm gonna do a little before and after, but really quick I wanted to go over the difference between St. Tropez and, as you all probably know by now, my ultimate favorite, which is Loving Tan. So first, right off the bat, you get a lot more for your buck with St. Tropez Express Tan. So Loving Tan comes with about, I want to say, 4 fluid ounces of tanning mousse in their container, and it runs for about $35 retail price. And St. Tropez comes with 6.7 fluid ounces for a retail price of 40 buckaroonies. 45, I apologize, 45 buckaroonies. So you get a lot more for your buck with this bad boy, first of all. Second of all, I will say that it's in the express version. So this is kind of like a downfall for me, but for some of you it may be like a great thumbs up. So you can leave it on for 1 hour, it'll leave you a light tan, 2 hours medium, 3 hours dark. Whereas Loving Tan, the one that I used, you would apply it overnight and wake up the next morning and wash it off. That is the method that worked for me best, because I really don't like the concept of getting in the shower and shaving and exfoliating and moisturizing, doing all that jazz, and then putting on tanning lotion and having to get back in the shower 3 hours later. Don't like that. So that is one con that for me I don't really like, but I can see how it's a great concept. Maybe you didn't have time to do it the night before and you realized 3 hours before your event that you wanted to be much tanner than you already are, I guess. But yeah, now my review of the product. So I love how smooth. It's like butter, you guys, when you put it on. It is not streaky at all, and I have tried some streaky tanning lotions, and this one so far I loved it. I used it today. I'm a lot tanner right now, but you guys aren't gonna see that right now because you're gonna see it a little later when I do the before and after. And the kit, I wanted to go over now the kit with you guys. The kit comes with this bad boy. It comes with a mitt, little cute St. Tropez mitt, but I do want to say something about the mitt. So I have the Loving Tan mitt, and it just feels like a mitt. Like there's no friction on the inside. It kind of slips off. This mitt is like textured on the inside, so when you it stays. It's like a little glove, and that is something that is so useful when you're tanning, because you're trying to get into all those crevices, and this is not going anywhere. It's going where you are going. This is weird. I should stop. So far it's winning with more for your buck. The mitt says it all. If your lifestyle is very on the go last minute, then you're gonna love the Self Express. So it comes, like I said, with the Self Express tanning mousse, the mitts, And it also comes, guys, with the in-shower tanning lotion. I have never used this before. I applied it for the first time the day before yesterday, and I really want to wait and do a review about this after using it for a week, because it is a gradual self-tanner. It is not like the Mousse that you can see the results in 3 hours or in an hour. This is gonna take some time. So how it works, you shower normally. You're obviously, whenever you want to tan, you want to exfoliate and shave, so the color, I guess, the pigmentation really gets absorbed into your skin, and then you're gonna apply it. What I did was I showered, did all my stuff, then while I was in the shower I turned off the water. Applied this everywhere, and then it says wait 3 minutes and then rinse off with just water and dry. And it says you can apply it as many times as you'd like throughout the week to develop a tan in your skin. So I can't tell you that this product is amazing yet because I've only used it once. So that's why this video is all about this bad boy. So we're gonna go back in time. How cool, right? We're gonna go back in time, and I'm gonna show you guys my clips of when I applied this. And yeah, let's get to a few hours before, when I was paley Snow White soft skin. Just kidding, I still have soft skin. It's just much tanner now. I am aware of how crazy I look, but this is what I do for you guys. And no, I am not naked. I am wearing a towel. Thank you very mucho. Okay, so I already showered, I exfoliated, I shaved, gonna moisturize, did all the good things, and we are going to test out and compare the St. Tropez to my personal favorite, Loving Tan. So I'm gonna go apply this. So it says here, advanced 1 hour tan. Apply for 1 hour and you get a light tan, 2 hours medium, 3 hours dark. I'm gonna go apply tanning lotion. I'm gonna obviously wait 3 hours because I like to pretend I'm morenita or something. Like, I don't know. I really hate looking so pale. Like yesterday, my friends are looking at me, they're like, Ivana, you need a tan. And I'm like, I'm already working on it. So let's go apply this, and I'll come back and check on you guys in 3 hours before I rinse off. Take a good look. This is how pale I am. I'll take a before picture just in case, you know, but we're back. What's up, guys? Okay, so it has been officially 3 hours since I've applied the tanning lotion on, and I think that I look pretty tan than when I did 3 hours ago. Overall, I'd have to say that I think that my hair is a mess. That's what I think. I think St. Tropez is a win. It's a win, you guys. The tanning lotion, it smells really good. And, well, I just applied cocoa butter all over. So right now, I smell like cocoa butter. But overall, I truly loved how smooth the application went on. And it just felt like amazing. Like, and it was, sometimes I think that with the $1 Million Tan, I want to say that I would have to blend a lot for it to not be like creasy, and the St. Tropez honestly just went on like butter. Someone is blowing up my phone right now. It went on like butter, and that is not easy to come by. So I'm gonna finish getting ready, and when I come back later on tonight, for you guys, it'll be instantaneously because you guys don't go with me. But I have to get ready for an event. But I just want to show you really quick after how tan. And we're back in present time, or you know, when you're watching this. So as you guys saw, I was pretty pasty before I applied the self tanner, and then I applied self tanner, and then I became nice and tan. So overall, I'd like to end this video by saying that I would definitely recommend the St. Tropez award-winning kit. It was definitely worth the $49. Happy birthday to me. This was my birthday present from me to myself. So I would definitely recommend it. Is it better than Loving Tan? You know, Loving Tan's here, and right now St. Tropez is right here, just because I get more for my buck. Wow, I have something in my eyeball. I get more for my buck than I do with Loving Tan. Loving Tan, yes, it's $10 cheaper, but I'm getting much less product. I'd rather pay $10 more and get almost twice as much fluid ounces of tanning lotion and a gradual self tanner and a mitt than just one little bottle, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting videos every week and sometimes more. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!